What's up, homie? It's Tony. What's the key point to grow your business? Of course, you need to get an eye-catching shop sign first. If you're still looking for it, you come to the right place. Now let me tell you why so many customers choose our signs. Before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel. Let's go. First, our material. The LED module we use can reach IP65 waterproof rating, DC 12 voltage CUL certification with 3 years warranty, 3000K, 6000, 65,000K. These are what we use daily. Second is our waterproof transformer, 5 years warranty from Manwell brand, lighting more even. The cost of changing power supply is very high, so choose a good power supply is the key. They help you save money and prevent some big troubles that may happen in the future. Third, up to now we have accumulated many cases, so you don't need to worry about the style we can make. There's nothing you can't think of, nothing we can't do. We're a professional sign manufacturer with 14 years of experiences. What we insist all the time these years is craftsmanship. Just believe we are the best choice. Hit the follow button now. Let us be your best business partner. This is Tony from LCSIGN. See you next time.